let's move forward to another set of maxima and minima problems. Ang ginawa ko kasi sa mga videos ko is part by part, depende sa category. Okay, so let me read the problem. A farmer has enough money to build 100 meters of fence. What are the dimensions of the field he can enclose the maximum area? A farmer has enough money to build 100 meters of fence. What are the dimensions of the field he can enclose the maximum area? So, sa madalit sabi, yung farmer ay merong pambakod. At yung pambakod na yon, ang haba ay 100 meters. So, for example, meron po tayo ditong field. Okay? Yung field na yan ay babakudan natin gamit yung 100 meters na fence. So, basically, kung iisipin mo, yung perimeter mo is 100 meters. 'Di ba ang perimeters is yung sum lang lahat ng sides natin. Okay? So, basically, 100 meters, let this be x and let this be y. So, pag ginawa ko yan, perimeter lang ng rectangle, that is 2x plus 2y. Dalawang x, dalawang y. Okay? And then, ano daw ang perimeter? 100. So, it is equal to 100. Okay? And then, 2y is equal to 100 minus 2x. Multiply ko both sides ng 1/2 para maging y na lang yon. Y is equal to 50 minus x. And then, after that, kuhain natin yung area. Diba ang area ay x times y laang? Okay? And then, given that y is equal to 50 minus x times 50 minus x, this is equal to 50x minus x squared. Okay? Bakit ko ginawang ganyan? Kasi diba ang step 2 natin, i-express natin yung equation natin into just one variable so that it will be easier for us to differentiate. Okay? So, kuhain ko ang derivative nito. Sorry, this is 50x. This is 50 minus 2x. And then, set a prime to 0. Diba? Yun yung third step natin. So, 2x is equal to 50. X is equal to 25. Okay, 100 meters ng fence, edi ito ay 25 meters. Do not forget to put unit because a number without unit is meaningless. Okay? To get the dimension y, so that is 50 minus x. That is 50 minus 25. This is equal to 25 meters. So kung titingnan nyo, yung shape na nabuo natin, this is x, this is y, this is 25 meters, this is also 25 meters. Or basically, anong shape yan? Square. Okay po. Tatandaan nyo guys, ito ha. Pag ang rectangle ay ima-maximize natin ang area, magiging square po yan. Okay? Tatandaan nyo. And then pag tinanong kayo, anong shape yung may maximum area? Circle po. Tapos, anong solid shape ang may maximum volume? Sphere naman po. Okay, tatandaan nyo yun ha. Circle, maximum area na shape. Sphere, solid shape na maximum volume. Ang rectangle, pag minaximize ko, magiging square. Okay? So, take down these notes. Let's move on to the second problem. A rectangular lot is bounded at the back by a river. No fence is needed along the river and there is to be a 24 feet opening in the front. If the fence along the front costs $1.50 per foot, along the sides $1 per foot, find the dimensions of the largest lot which can be thus fenced in for $300. Okay? So, i-drawing muna natin yung figure natin. So, meron daw po tayong ilog dito. At meron daw tayo ditong lot. May lote tayo dito. At yung lote na yan, ay babakuda natin. Pero yung lote, ay merong opening na 24 foot. Okay? Ang total daw nating magagastos, guys, total is dapat $300 lang. Okay? Yung cost daw ng pambakod sa sides ay $1 per foot. Samantalang yung pambakod sa front ay $1.50 per foot. Okay? So, hanapin daw natin yung dimensions para magawa iyon. Okay? So, let this be Y, itong side na to, and Y din to. And let this be X. Okay? Sinabi din sa problem na hindi na daw natin babakudan yung nasa tabi ng river. Kasi baka maanod lang daw. Okay? So, kung kukuhain ko ang perimeter, that is 2y dahil dalawang side, plus x. Kaya lang, meron tayong opening na 24 foot. So, minus 24. Okay? And then, paano natin makukuha yung sa total cost? So, yung total cost is equal to 2y times presyo kapag ang babakudan mo ay yung tabihan, which is $1, plus yung harapan natin, which is x minus 24 yung haba, na ang presyo ng pambakod is 1.50. Okay? So, T is $300 times 2y times 1 plus 1.50 times x, that's 1.50. And then, kuhain ko lang calculate. 24 times 1.50, that is 30. 50x, 1.50x minus 36. Okay? So, ang meron tayo ngayon is 300 plus 36 equal to 2y plus 1.50x. Okay? And then, express ko ito into one variable. 2y is equal to 336 minus 1.50x. Kailangan ko ay y lang, so mag-multiply ako ng 1/2. Y is equal to 168 minus 0.75x. And then, i-maximize natin yung area. Area is equal to x times y. And then, i-express ko ito into one variable. Sa nakukuha ng equation ng y, di ba aray nang sinold natin kanina, y is equal to 168 minus 0.75x. So, a is equal to x times 168 minus 0.75x. Okay? So, this is equal to 168 minus 0.75x squared. And then, i-differentiate natin. A prime is equal to 168 minus 0.75 times 2x. And then, set A prime to 0. Diba yun yung third step natin? So, 0 is equal to 168 minus 3 minus 1.5x. Dalhin ko sa kabilang side si 1.5x equals to 168. X is equal to 112. Anong unit? Feet. Okay? And then kuhain ko si y. Si y ay 168 minus 0.75 x. But what is x? 112. So, 168 minus 0.75 times 112. This is 84. 84 ano? 84 feet. So, ang dimensions natin is 112 feet by 84 feet. So, ganitong kalaki yung lote na mababakuda natin sa halagang $300 kung saan yung lote na yan ay may opening na 24 foot at kung saan ang isang side ay nasa river. Madami pong ganitong types ng problems. It's either nasa side ng river, nasa side ng highway, or yung isang side laging hindi mo babakudan. Kasi boundaryhan po. Okay? So, just comment down kung hindi nyo na-gets yung problem and i-re-explain ko sa inyo. So, please copy. Moving on to the third problem. A rectangular field of fixed area is to be enclosed and divided into 3 lots by parallel to one of the sides. What should be the relative dimensions of the field to make the amount of fencing minimum? Again, a rectangular field of fixed area is to be enclosed and divided into 3 lots by parallels to one of the sides. What should be the relative dimension of the field to make the amount of fencing minimum? So, for example, magbebenta tayo ng lupa. At yung lote natin na yan ay hahatiin natin sa 3 lote. Okay? Ano daw dapat yung dimensions natin so that yung magagastos natin kapag binakuda natin yung 3 lote na yan ay minimum. So, let's say, ang length natin ay x at ang width natin or lapad ay y. Okay? Yan ay ng buong lote. So, para kay lot 1, ito. So, 1, 2, 3. Lot 1, lot 2, lot 3. So, may bakod ka din dito at may bakod ka din dito at babakudan mo din ito. Okay? Para ma-enclose mo yung lot 1, lot 2, at lot 3. Also, again, this is x. Okay? So, pag pinag-isipan natin, kung titingnan mo, yung magagastos mo or kung gaano kalaki yung fence mong magagamit, you are referring to the perimeter. So, yung bakod na kailangan natin, 1, 2, so 2x plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4y. So, ganyan kalaki ang ating bakod. May sinabi pa ba sa problem? Okay, wala naman. Ang pinapanap sa atin lang ay gaano dapat kalapad ang x tsaka y. Okay? So, let's say, 4y is equal to p minus 2x. Para maging y lang yun, multiply ko both sides into 1/4. So, this will become y is equal to 1/4 ng perimeter minus 2 times 1/4, that is 1/2 x. Okay? So, may express na natin yan into one variable kapag kinuha natin ang area. Do not forget na yung area natin is just x times y kasi rectangular lang naman yung field natin. So, area is equal to x times y given that y is equal to 1/4 p minus 1/2 x. So, x times 1/4 p minus 1/2 x. Okay, so this is 1/4 px minus 1/2 x squared. Yan na po ang ating equation for the area. And since yung area ko is expressed already in one variable, yes, kasi yung p po ay constant lang dyan. Pwede ko na yung i-differentiate. So, pag i-differentiate ko yan, 1/4 px, what's the derivative of x? 1. So, 1/4 times p times 1. Then, derivative ko to, that's 1/2 times 2x. So, let us set a prime to 0. So, that's the third step. So, 0 is equals to 1/4 p minus 1/2 times 2, that's 1. So, I just have x. Transpose ko sa x into other side. X is equals to 1/4 p or 1/4 lang ng ating parameter. Okay? And then, so y is equal to 1/4 p minus 1/2 x. So, pasok lang natin yung value dito ng x. This is 1/4 p minus 1/2 times 1/4 p. This is equal to 1/8 p. Okay? So kung ikukumpara natin ang value ni x and y, si x ay doble ng value ni y. Okay? So, as a conclusion, our length is 2 times ng ating width. Ito dapat ang maging dimension ng ating field. Okay? Yung haba daw natin, yung length daw natin ay doble nito. Based sa ating nakuha. Kung binigay si parameter, eh di ipasok mo na lang yung value dito. Okay? So, please copy.